All right, in answer to my first question, the answer is no. Do you believe further deliberation? So then I asked for the current count. I think what they've done is give me the count on, well, I don't know what they've done. They've given me numbers, that don't add up to 12 on two of the counts. So I'm going to inquire further. So I just said on these counts, do you have a verdict or what is the math? Okay. No, I've not seen this. Okay, they have sent this note that the bailiff just came to me, says jurors have stated we will have the same result on Monday, no further deliberations are needed. So based on that, I'm going to declare a mistrial and excuse this jury. If you will get the alternates and let me bring them in and just give them some final instructions, then we'll release them. I don't know what the release is. 13. Hang on to the alternates for me, okay? Okay. ladies and gentlemen, as we've discussed, a verdict in a criminal case needs to be unanimous. As you are unable to reach one, I'm going to declare a mistrial in this case, and this will complete your service for the week. You can leave your buttons behind, leave your notepads in your chairs. You just tear those up and shred them. Nobody's going to read your notes or what have you. The clerk will have a check for you that will have a stub that will prove you were here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday for your employer. If you need something additional, you can contact the clerk's office or my office and we'll let you do that. I told you about 50 times not to talk about the case or let anybody talk about it with you. At this point, you may talk about the case if you wish. You're not required to, but often the attorneys may want to know what you found persuasive or didn't find persuasive or what have you. So I always let you know that it is not improper anymore for you to talk to whoever you want to about this case and your service on it. You are, of course, in no way required to do so. Make sure you get all your personal items. Leave me my buttons so I can recycle them for the next group. And Mr. Davis will show you out. Mr. Bob will show you out the back door. Okay? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Just leave them in the seat?
Yeah, that's fine. We'll pick them up. Alright, did we set a date in the other one?
November sometime.
So that's going to be my first available for a retrial. The state will need to decide whether you want to retry this one on those dates or try the charge co-defendant if you're going to retry the matter. Just be thinking about that so we can get scheduled. This is the
moment every courtroom was holding its breath for. A mistrial doesn't mean the defendant is guilty or innocent. It simply means the jury couldn't reach the unanimous verdict the law requires. That leaves one big question. If you were the prosecutor, would you retry the case or walk away?
This case on my docket, so I'm going to push him to get it retried again, okay?
Will you issue an order on the mistrial? Will you issue an order on the mistrial?
I will, and I'll do that before I leave. All right, we'll stand in recess. Okay, and y'all, Miss Montgomery is deserting me, so if you need a transcript, tell her now.
All right.
Make sure she gets up to the court, okay?